ZANU-PF legislator Tatenda Mavetera of Chikomba West got a rude awakening after a victory rally was abruptly cancelled due to poor attendance as party supporters allegedly disapproved a perceived support for President Emerson Mnangagwa, rumored bid to extend his presidency beyond 2028. Asiperi mushe muri Zimbabwe tona pane legislator mZANU-PF organize a rally woti aiwa toda kusapota kuti idi Mnangagwa aramba chitonga beyond 2028 but hakuna vanhu vakano attenda ndobva yamisiwa postpone that event. Sara bina mashuka buda nyongo anoti subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tipina wanyora vachiti the event planned at Garwe Stadium in Chifu failed to draw a significant crowd, prompting Mavetera to postpone it indefinitely to avoid embarrassment. Internal sources within ZANU-PF suggest that factionalism over Mnangagwa's potential third term contributed to the sabotage of Mavetera's rally. Party officials are feeling sidelined, reportedly neglected to mobilize support, leading to the low turnout. Even at other rallies within a constituency during the same period, Mavetera struggled to attract attendances, sometimes resorting to addressing school pupils instead of party members. Asiperi mushe muri Zimbabwe tirikuona kuti he is trying by his all means kuti aiwa akwanise kudhiwa vanhu attention yavo, vanhu vauye vaatende the rallies dzekuita kuti aiwa achikambirira for ED 2030 vision. Aiwa chibotudze mafungiro enyu muri kudi pamusoro pema-efforts avari kuita stiff resistance yari kupiwa nevanhu. Pindai comment section medu mutudze mafungiro enyu, saka no subscribe or like, on the page.